Alexander Kwapong lectures is actually a lecture series that we initiated as part of United Nations University's Institute for Natural Resource in Africa to provide space to independent thinkers that would come here, would have the clarity, vision, they would be bold, they would be innovative, and they would be able to talk about different natural resource matters that are affecting our development.
Climate change is a fundamental threat to development, sustainable development, and the fight against poverty. Because most of the gain we have experiences in the past decade on development issues front have been completely swept up by climate issues, climate perspectives.
We are already facing the fourth industrial revolution, and green energy transformation is central to that fourth industrial revolution. And so the idea that by 2030 there will be about 630 million people in Africa still depending on charcoal and wood to cook is really disturbing.
And this is the question really of attitude. The moment you mention oil in Africa, they think about money. And we tend to forget two things. One, most of the oil in Africa is associated gas, in which that gas can be used. That's the gas my colleague mentioned about flying. That flared gas can be used to provide cooking for most and lighting for most of the West African countries. But people don't think about it.
Is nuclear energy a renewable energy source or not? Because in Ghana here, as we are advocating for renewable energy, our energy mix, we need 10% penetration of our renewable energy. 10% is relatively nothing to write home about. But with the nuclear energy, with that alone, we may not need to have hydrothermal or what have you. And so we want to know